What's going on, guys? This is Project 97 GMC Sierra. Passenger side's all done. Couple spots where I fucked up. Flat black was that shitty old yellow color. But yeah, couple spots need to be redone. Right along here. But it's looking good so far. Right there. I think I'm going to spray the whole passenger fender. Front, the grille, the hood, and the roof is not done yet. And you already seen this side. Chrome trim really sets it off. And for those that don't know, it's only got 84,000 kilometers on it. It's a 97. So yeah, there will be more to come later.